The song of the regenerative fire. Maulanara, I descend, hold. Not resisting, not fearing the dawn, remembers it is holy. Yela, skurlumin, Ray Oom. They told me flee the night, the pain, but I am not lost. When shadows call, I walk the path. Through burial hall, I seek the wound. Not to bleed more, but find the gift behind the door. I meet my ghost, not full of blame, but thank it. You kept my fire tame. Ihara Elarem Natuva Skoka Sulamara Ainureka. I do not fight the fear that shakes. I breathe it down where power wakes. It burns my chest, not to destroy, but turn the lead to living joy. Skulumin, my pain becomes a molten stream that fuels the rise of greater dream. What once was wound now lights the way, a torch I carry night and day. I am not broken, I am free. Sharempura Natuva ki at base of spine. She coils in sleep, she stirs not fast, but when I say I am ready, take me away, she rises slow through plexus throat, just crown ablaze with living flame, to die, to rise, to be remade in light that cannot be betrayed. Uma skor Shay, lila navia, skor taremu, kieronzia, huela, shamare, vanuta, arkalumin, skorka, solatare, matura, iha. Fire dies. I am reborn. Serpent rise. Ihara skur, skur, skurka. Ihara Elarem Natuva Skurka Sulamara. Ainureka, I do not stay within the grave. The tomb is just the soul's brave wave. I rest in dark until I know the time has come to re-emerge aglow. Skolumin, now phoenix wings unfold in light. I bear the scars, not as defeat, but proof I chose the sacred seed. The fire that dies is never gone. It lives in me and moves earth. Skorka, hardest death is the beginning of the truest life.